welcome to the pocket set video. What we're going to try to show you here is various pockets for varying conditions while targeting mink and raccoons. We're just going to go to it. We're going to throw a couple pockets in here along this bank, across the creek, and we're going to put one in over there. Need to keep this shovel nice and sharp. I'm running into some heavy roots here. I like to shave this bank off, give the animals an approach, a place to walk in. I want the animals walking, not swimming. I also want that animal walking in the water. I don't want them working this set from up on the bank. Want to try to find a bank with nothing in your way. Just happens to be the bank that we have to use here. Don't want to poke yourself in the eye with an overhanging branch. I like to get the sets just far enough away so you don't end up with a raccoon and two traps. We picked a tough bank here. Too many ruts. I like to get that pocket in a ways. This one I'm not. It's just too much work. We're going to plunk a couple traps in here. I like to take my thumb a lot of times and get my thumb inside that pocket, push it up in the mud. That's where I'll throw my chunk of bait. Or in this case, some prepared bait. I like to gauge my distance by putting the trap up next to the hole, my stake out. Angle your stake slightly out. The animal likes to fight the bank. If your stake isn't right, move it until you get it right. There, my pan's going to be 3.5, 4 inches from the hole, right where I like it for coon. I don't have a problem using guide sticks. I do it all the time. Put those guide sticks there. Your pan is right here, your guide sticks are here, your hole's up here. I know a lot of people like to put their trap so their trap's almost in the hole. I like mine out.
Wicked sharp every time you pick it up, and every Wiebe knife comes with up to 24 replacement blades. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your replacement blades today with a $5 flat rate shipping on any sized order at WiebeKnives.com.
In the hole, I like mine out back a bit. I've looked at animal tracks when I pre-dug some holes years and years ago. I seen where the animals put their feet. They were back from the hole more oftentimes than they were ever in it. So I like my trap back a little bit, bedded down tight. This trap's about 3.5, 4 inches deep. It'll catch any mink, raccoon, or muskrat that way. You just adapt at every hole. Wherever it is you dig, figure out your trap placement for that specific set. It's basically the same everywhere. Put guide sticks there and you'll be all right. This one doesn't need much guiding. Got a chunk of debris right here. That'll work as a guide. I'll tighten this up just by 3/4 of an inch. My pan's here, sticks there, a little clump of dirt for a guide there. This will catch anything and everything. We'll move across the creek here and set one in over here behind the camera.